Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our vocabulary series. Each day we will discuss 10 new words for improve our vocabulary knowledge. Today is 10th day of our vocabulary series. So now we have listed 100 words of English and their meanings and examples. I hope that will help you. Now discuss today's session's first word. First word is adequate. Adequate means satisfactory or acceptable in quality or quantity. As well as adequate means enough. Example of adequate is Ram said, "This office is perfectly adequate for my needs." Next word is certain. Certain means able to be firmly relied on to happen or be the case. Specific but not explicitly named or stated means certain. Example of certain is she raised certain personal problems with me. Next word is coincidence. Coincidence means a remarkable concurrence of events or circumstances. Coincidence is an occasion when two or more things happen at the same time, especially in a way that is unexpected. Example of coincidence is it was quite a coincidence that my neighbor and I both went to Disneyland on the same day. Next word is conventional. Conventional means based on or in accordance with what is generally done or believed. Example of conventional is we often eat breakfast for dinner instead of a conventional meal. Next word is deliberate. Deliberate means done consciously and intentionally. As well as deliberate means unhurried and with care and dignity. Example of deliberate is he advocates a slow and deliberate approach to the problem. Next, forbid. Forbid means to refuse to allow something, especially officially, or to prevent a particular plan or action. Example of forbid is the teacher tried to forbid the students from using their cell phones, but they wouldn't listen to her. Next word is dedicate. Dedicate means devote time or effort to a particular task or purpose. Example of dedicate is to my teacher, I dedicate this dictionary in token of affection and gratitude. Next, canard. Canard means an unfounded rumor or story. As well as false story is also known as canard. Example of canard is it is just a forwarded message. I know it is canard. Next word is estrangement. Estrangement means the fact of no longer being on friendly terms or part of social group. Example of estrangement is the misunderstanding had caused a 7-year estrangement between them. And today's session's last word is fallacy. Fallacy means a mistaken belief, especially one based on unsound arguments. Example of fallacy is having money makes you happy is a fallacy because happiness has nothing to do with wealth. Thank you so much, all of you.